Alright, sweet, we're live. Everything's good. Everything's working. Slight delay. We're gonna go Painful MIPS assembly. Caesar Cipher. Let's call it character char encryption. Basic MIPS 32 assembly. Going over basic instruction sets and their applied use cases. Alright, cool. Category, let's go. Science and technology. Upload a thumbnail. It's gonna be the recent one. Beautiful. Good. No, it's not made for kids. Nope. Key moments allow automatic places. Yes, tags. Okay. Just so we're just adding the tags right now. There you go, MIPS Mars, software assembly, computer science, software engineering, code. CS, let's just go CS. College, beautiful. Streaming language, we're gonna do it in English, of course. English once again. All right, we're all good. We're all set. Beautiful. All right, now that we're all good, everything's working. I just want to test my audio. Now that we're all good, beautiful. Slight delay. Everything's running perfect. All right. It's time to get cracking. Let's see. Okay, first things first. Just pretty much what we're gonna be doing. But we're gonna be breaking this code down and redoing most of it. This is the instruction sets for MIPS. These are basic tutorials. You can check these links out if you're interested. I'm gonna throw this here. Save that. Now when I assemble this, throw in there. Assemble's fine. Beautiful. All right. We're all good to go. Alright, so first things first, in doing a Caesar Cipher or any MIPS, so I don't want to get the logic laid out or figure out what you're going to be doing or what's necessary steps to take. No one really thinks like an assembler, so what I'm trying to do is read a string, or actually a character. Read a character. I need to store the character. I'll just read and store a character. I'm also going to make char ASCII, or double check that it's ASCII. And I also have to move it and store after I modified. Pretty simple so far. Since question is if I want to do if uppercase, the bounds are going to be ASCII, what is it, 60, 65. I think it's something in there. 65 is, yeah, 65. ASCII is 65 through 90 characters. I could also include lower, which would be 39 through 64, if I'm remembering correctly. I was thinking ASCII, so lowercase, where does lowercase start? It's 97, so I went the wrong way. Should know that by now though. Sort of bot. It's cool. 97 through 122. Yeah, it's not like there's 25 in the fucking alphabet. Alright, so we're gonna make sure, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just do this as and. So we can take, like, say this char is a, right? Because what we're really doing is making a function that is gonna take a character and shift it, right? But the idea is if you have a function, you can call it with a string of any size. It's gonna work. I mean, you're just gonna have to. It's interesting. So we can make this work with a string, and it can take in upper and lowercase, and shift it by 6 or whatever the shift is. We can also take a shift as input. Yeah, that's fine. But the problem is, how do we want to write it? Do we want to write it as a, I mean, we're gonna have to do single char modification, or we're gonna mod it by chars. So it makes sense just to make, even if it's a string, you could just do it character by character if the shift's the same. It's not a problem. You can extract, I think it's like a rem or something like that. Remove instruction set. You can remove the last character in a string, or a last digit in an integer. So interesting. Let's pull up these instruction sets, give us an idea of what we can do here. Get rid of this. So let's just look at that. What is it? Rem. Nothing. Is that spim? So these are logical shifts, but these are bitwise shifts, which could work. Could do a bitwise shift. Not really a point in. Yeah, I might as well just do a bitwise shift. It's the easiest thing to do. So what it's really gonna be is a bitwise shift of n to message. and then it needs to syscall to print message. So we're gonna have to use the print command, which is like li like v0 and then a system called a 4, I think it is, something like that. This is not really the logic we're gonna use. It's just very laid out. It's not really the order or anything that we're gonna go in, but generally the stuff that we're gonna have to do. So what I'm checking right now is so we do a bitwise shift, so it's not really shifting. Okay, so let's just get started on this. This is gonna make it a lot easier. Start figuring things out as we go. Fuck, I hate this though. Let's call it main, I guess, instead of start. We could do start. The whole point, first thing we need to do, read a string. Oh, what is that? Li v0 of what? 8. So I think this is the system command, the instruction for reading string, or reading input, actually. Might be string. A lot to fucking remember. How do we want to do this? So this is gonna load an address. So we need a string buffer, like a place. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. And then we'll just get started with data right now. We'll do a string buffer. Jesus Christ. Damn, man. Dude, no fucking keyboard commands on this or what? Sort of ass. Can't even skip to the end of the line, like I have to click. I'm not even gonna use the arrows. I mean, I guess I can use the arrows, but I can't skip to the end of the line or nothing. It sucks. I gotta use my mouse. Alright, so load it with stored bits. Next thing we gotta do, well, obviously read for the length. It's gonna be 2 bits. Same thing as stream buffer. And the system call to read it. So that's gonna read it. So it'll be stored in T0. And it needs to be the string buffer. Yeah, so T0. T0 needs to be temporary, 0 needs to be string buffer, because we're going to use that to check if it's in ASCII and in the range. So what is it? L load by unassigned, or is it load by, no, it's load by unassigned. What word? 8-bit value. Am I shifting it? No. So it's simply just the value. Oh yeah, it's a fucking instruction. Gotta run it. Oh. 0 shift over with the temporary value. Fuck, man. So I have to move this now. Move T of 0. Wait, no, move V of 0. No, yeah, T of 0. V of 0 into T of 0 after the mod. Okay. So now it's checking if it's in the range. Now I need to check if it's in the range of 90 and 65. Or no. It needs to be in the range of... Wait, let me look at this and pull this up for you so you can see what I'm talking about. So it goes A through Z, 91 through 95, 96. So I can't include all these special characters. Screw it. I could also do 30, like, all the way. Allow all these special characters. Printable. I could do all the printable characters. That might not be a bad idea, honestly. Why not, you know? 32, 126. If you see me looking right at you, I'm just looking at my references, my instruction instruction set sheets. The reason why is because I don't fucking have all this shit memorized, dude. Gotta be some kind of fucking menace to society to memorize MIPS instruction sets. Alright, what the fuck am I doing? Got lost. The fuck? Okay, so I'm storing what? The values, what was it? 32 through 126 or some shit like that. Yeah, 32 through 126. Okay. And then what are stores? So store values. So S of 0, and then I need to load 32. And then store 1, I need to load 126, I think it was. Fucking forgot again.
Tanner, are you here? Tanner?
Yes.
Oh, hey, do you like turkey rolls?
Alright, back to it. So we got 32 through 126. Yeah, I know how to do that. Fuck off. We got 32 through 126, which is the range that it needs to be in. Now I need to do branches to make sure it's in the range. So what are the branch? What I fucking forget the branch types. Branch if greater or equal. branch if greater than unsigned. Branch if greater than. Okay, yeah. So branch if greater than t of 0, or is it, wait, yeah, t of 0. If t of 0 is greater than s of 0, function call. I think I'm gonna need to do a little pass it as an argument kind of thing. Wait, so I did this backwards, right? Because this is the small end, and this is, wait, what does this stand for? Branch on greater than. So it needs to be less than. This one needs to be less than if I'm doing this. So this needs to be S1 like this, I believe. And okay, so yeah, so that needs to be S of 1 if it's greater than. And then I need to do like a argument pass, enc. So let's just call it encrypt string. So I'm just gonna leave a comment here. If char greater than 9, 26. Yes. So if the character is greater than 126, we're good to go. No null operator. So branch to here. If it doesn't, is that working? Shit, I don't think this is working right now, or this would work. Let's see. Let's see if this assembles. Oh yeah, duh. Is it in symbols though? What is it in? Like, what do I put there? So I can just create a function down here called encrypt string. I want to bring it. Fucking so annoying. I gotta bring it all the way to the end because you need the right spacing. Yeah, I'll have to wrap the string, so I'll do that now. Encrypt wrapper. Why can I not type today? A little rusty. From what? Okay, so branch if less than, and then if t of 0 is less than, what was it? S of 0, store of 0. And we just go to encrypt string. Okay, that should. Oh wait, I don't need this. Let me just. I want to try and compile this if this works, but this I'm gonna have to. So what am I doing here? I get the string and I have to move and store it. So, but what am I gonna get here? And what have I used up till this point? T of 1, T of 2. So I'm gonna need T of 2, I think. Yeah. Yeah, because I could do T of 1 if I wanted to. I might as well just do T of 1. I mean, I guess it's best practice to give myself a little extra space. And then I'm taking whatever's stored at temporary 0. But it doesn't really make sense to move temporary to temporary. Wow, this is sort of a bitch, actually. So I'm moving it. That's fine. I don't think will this even assemble? Okay, it does assemble. Nothing stored. Okay. Alright. So avoid instructions. This is actually starting to frustrate. Avoid instructions if not in range, I guess. Why isn't my shift key working? Fuck. If less than 32, greater than 126. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I'm not doing this backwards, right? S of 0 goes to 26, less than. Branch on less than. Alright, I have two stored values, which are those. So I need to, what is it, load immediate, because it's going to be a value of the shift. Yeah, let's just code as a constant shift right now, and then let's just do a shift of 6, because why not? Or 7, I like 7. 67, we could do that too. Let's just start with a shift of 7. Okay, so how much does it have to go back? Because wait, okay, so it's 90. What the fuck is it supposed to be for uppercase? 90 minus 65, which is 25, but we're shifting 1, minimum of 1, shift back, 25 back. So I need to do, yeah, so it's n plus 1. So I need to do 126 minus 32 plus 1 is 95. I'd rather not do mental math there, because if I fuck that up, which I really shouldn't, but if I just manage to do that, I'm sort of fucked trying to figure out what my issue is, and it's... Yeah, it's in the range, it's 16 bits, so Do I need overflow? No, I do not. But actually, yeah, I do. So T of 0 is the fucking cipher. Wait, no, set T of 0. To its, can I do that? Can I do to itself? Yeah, because it's gonna read it first, the address, and then it'll read the value. It's not modifying the address before the value before, so we're good. S of 2, which is the shift, and then branch if less than or equal to. Yes. What the fuck? So if branch the statement and label if T of 1 is less than or equal to T of 2. So I need to, if it's in the range, branch somewhere else. If not, shift it back. Right? So yeah. Wait, so the highest call is S of 1. So it's gonna be T of 0, right, is less than S of 1. So if the current character is within this range or up until this point, it's gonna branch and go do something else. If not, we gotta fix that. So it's wrapping back around, right? If it gets the end, it wraps back around. So that's what I was talking about wrapper earlier when I had the encryption wrapper. That's what I was talking about. So that's where this comes into play. Jesus. I should have included this. The wrapper for proper loop. I guess I'm just gonna call it. Fucking too lazy to say anything else. Alright, so if you're following me, you're a fucking menace, because I'm not even following what the fuck I'm doing right now. That's how fucking assembly is. Shit fucking is painful. Shit hurts. My eyes hurts, white ass fucking screen. Can't go in fucking dark mode. Like, what the fuck, dude? What the fuck? It's actually pretty fucked when you think about it. Pretty fucked. But we're good, you know, it's MIPS. We're chilling. I don't know, I have Zoom and messages open, so we're gonna close that. I don't need my terminal open. No, quit. Why are you bouncing, man? Oh. I better fucking save that, dude. I'm gonna kill myself. It's not fucking. The fuck, dude. The fuck. This is what happens when you're fucking bot, boys. Oh, it's not fucking empty, too. Jesus fuck. Okay. Fuck. So I'm gonna move wherever the fuck it is to here, and then ls MIPS 1. Okay, beautiful. Now I need to go back into fucking downloads, and then Java jar, and then if it's Mars, 4. Oh my jeez. Oh my jeez. Can't fucking type. And we're good. Okay. Fuck, man. That really sucked. No, I don't want to terminate you. I'm not going to do that again. Alright, now let's open because we have it. Downloads, Tanner Cut Group. We're going to go to coding. We're going to MIPS assembly. Open. Beautiful. Fucking all here, man. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Fucking so hyped right now. I'm like twitching and shit. It might be temporary mobile time, boys. Get a quick chomp in me, get a fucking little dome going, and come back and write some fucking assembly. That's how we fucking do it. Even though there's no one here, I'm just fucking talking to myself, writing some assembly in pain. It hurts. It's fucking gross. I should fucking link this shit on the gram. It's fucking hilarious. That's actually hilarious. Fucking joke, dude. Alright, let me think about this. Okay, my story. Let's go fucking. Okay, well, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share that fucking. Share it via AirDrop to my iPhone, and then once I get it, beautiful. Now I can go back to my Instagram story. I can link it. What is this? The fuck? The fuck? The fuck? Okay. See, how the fuck do I get a link for my stream? It should be way easier than this. I guess I can just fucking text this to myself. Hopefully it just doesn't open on this fucking. Thank you for not opening where you're not supposed to. Nice. Sent it to myself. Yeah, I realized it'd be a lot more painful if there was people in here watching me struggle, so works out. Why did I not get a text message for myself? I should have got a text message for myself. Copy the URL, paste, customize sticker text. Painful MIPS assembly. Come watch me die inside. Come watch me die inside. Please. This is hard. Come watch me die inside. Very. I don't know. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, sweet. We're all set. We're good to go. I'm absolutely locked in. Alright, back to it. I don't even know where to start really. Cause like, so okay. Let's re-comment all of this. So anyone that's just coming in missed out on the last 40 minutes of the unlinked, what? Oh shit! Quit. I do not want my messages popping up. Okay, so read input command of size string buffer. Size string buffer. Okay, and then you're gonna load immediate of 2. Load immediate 2. Okay. System call for input. Sys call for reading input, which essentially hands over operations. Jesus, man. Hands over operations to the operating system to execute. Then I need to load an address, or I loaded an address of this, whatever's in string buffer goes to string buffer is going to go to T of 0, temporary register 0, which is right here. Number 8, no stored value. The value command of 0 of T of 0. So if you look at LB, it's a move command, but it's copying it pretty much. So now you're moving V of 0 to T of 0. This is converting it to ask not, and you shall receive. So the next part is making sure that this ASCII is in range. So this is the range check right here. So range check. What these are is values for the range, the upper and lower bound, which are ASCII characters. So since it's a Caesar shift, we're taking a single character or a string and shifting it by a number of letters. So T of 0, which V of 0 stores the old T of 0 and converts it to ASCII. And then you're taking that value that you just converted from the initial and transforming it to that. So now you have two store values, because we need these for referencing the top and bottom bound of the range, right? And what we do is we do a branch if greater than, or a branch then if less than. If it's greater than, we're gonna go here, and it's gonna go into the encrypted string, so it's already in range. The same here, if it's in range, it just goes on. Otherwise, we're gonna have to use the wrapper, which wraps around at the front. So 7, S2 is 7, which is the shift. The shift we're gonna use, and S3 is 95, which is how much we're gonna have to go back to get to the initial depending on the shift. So you know, like a lowercase z is gonna become like a fucking D, uppercase D kind of thing. Now we're gonna combine these values, so we're actually gonna shift whatever it is. So we have T of 0, which is whatever the ASCII character was, and it's located here at this address. Then we're gonna take, so this address is gonna become the value of this address added to this address. So it loads the address, then it takes the value from the address, takes the other value from the other address, rewrites. So now we're double checking that it doesn't need to get wrapped. So that's meaning like, oh, it was like a Z, and we added 7 to it, and it left the range. It was at 125, and we added 7, so it became 132. It's out of the range. We're gonna have to wrap it back to the beginning, so you have to subtract top value. But because it's 126 minus 32, you're gonna take 6 away from 100, give you 94 with an additional shift of 195. That's where we're at right now, is we're making this wrapper work. So if it needs to wrap, if it's out the range, then we're gonna make the wrapper work. So how are we gonna do that? It's quite simple. It's not quite simple, it's fucking assembly, but what are you gonna do, man? Do we need to do anything? I don't even think we have to do anything for the wrapper. It should automatically wrap. Let's save that. Let's just see if this works. I think this is gonna work regardless. Yeah, it should work regardless. So we have to break on less than to the wrapper. If it's not less than, then we need a null operation because we don't need to operate on it. It's already shifted the right way. Wait, we do have to wrap. So we have to subtract. Okay, so this is right. Okay, yeah, and then we subtract if it's out of range. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I was sort of tripping there for a second. I was like, wait, subtract 2 to 0. What are we subtracting? Yeah, S of 3. So S of 3 is the upper bound like we went over. I can't fucking type. So load address 1, take this, subtract. Beautiful. What's next? So, okay, that's all the logic we'll need. But if we move this, so we're moving the temporary 2, which is, we're moving T of 0 to temp 2. So that's the newly encrypted string. So we need to load an address. Load an address of T of 0 text buff. So that's the original input. Okay, so original input goes through text buffer, and then we have to print whatever. So using a value command, variable command, instruction set, we're gonna print it. What is print? 4. So that's the command for printing to the simulated monitor for Mars. Usually just pops up in, doesn't really pop up in a console. I think I have to set that up somehow, but I'm too lazy to figure out how to do that. So store byte, right? Yeah, store byte. Whatever we just loaded. So we're storing the loaded value from here with the move. And the purpose for that is pretty much to store what we just used. Store the lower order into the effective memory address. Where am I storing it? And do I need a shift? No shift. Let's just replace it. So now we don't need that old value anymore. Oh yeah, so okay, now we can use the system call. So we have it ready to print. Now we have to like load it into an argument. So when we do a system call, it's gonna clutch it, you know? So like right here, right? We have to load the correct things into the system. A's arguments. So we're reloading the initial argument with I just realized I did not mean to do that. I did not need a new. I can just go back to here. String buffer. That's what we're doing. So this to this, load from this to this, from this to this, and that should give us the right result with a system call, right? That will do it. List load immediate. Okay, now I need to load one more immediate. I'm gonna do value of 0, and this is a 10, so this is an exit command. So am I missing anything? I do not think so. Let's run this to see what happens. So let's look at ASCII. I do not like that. That did not work. Well, 3 is not in the range, right? So that tested, right? So let me think about this. If I just typed in 3, so I gave it the input of 3. 3 is in the range. That's 51. Okay, so I reset it. Let's go. So produce H, which is a shift of 7. Oh yeah, and then 3 is shifted to colon. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay, so fuck, it's working. Okay, okay, so let's make this work with the string now. That's cool. Wait, so let me think about this. So load address T0 with string, the value of string buffer, and then man, this shit hurts, not gonna lie. This shit really hurts. Okay, well, okay, let's just run this one more time. Let's do some more additional test cases. A should go to capital H. Yes, it does. Let's make sure that lowercase z works. It should wrap back to the beginning. Interesting. So, was that a shift of 7? So, lowercase z. Oh, I did do 26. So it should be 3 in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is working correctly. I'm gonna change this bound so it only goes to 122. And now let's save and rerun this because wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah, I have to assemble it first. Now I can run it. Okay, let's ask for A. Okay. Okay, man. So I'm actually really, this really sucks. Cause I get what's going on here, but I don't really know how to. I don't think that's gonna work, but you can always try. Yeah. Still gonna take the first. So I'm gonna have to stretch. This is gonna be such a pain in the ass, man. Yeah, it's not working. It does not work at all. Actually, pretty stupid, but it was a really stupid thing to try. It literally made no sense. Like, desperate. I mean, it does allow me to use more space. So, I mean. Yeah, I can only store one. Fuck me. Okay, so this is gonna take a little bit of research, right? As all good CS projects do. So we're gonna look at so string modification and MIPS, or string manipulation. Okay, this might be a valid solution. So for each character we can do this, and then we can do something that's like count characters. So we count all the characters, and for each character we do with a character, and we start from the end working backwards. So that's beautiful. We'll get a so we get the string, and then we count the characters of it, and then using that we do this with each character. So okay, so here what we can do, right? So this is the system call. brain fucking hurts, dude. Fuck, dude, this is like fucking 6-day coke binge. Just fucking fry the shit out of my brain. I thought about this too for a little bit before live streaming. It's like, what are we in, an hour in? Almost an hour and a minute in exactly. So, I mean, we made fucking good progress. We got this banged out, so we got a working Caesar Cipher. And fucking 40 lines of code. Some space. Now it's about... Fuck, man. This hurts. So here we're gonna need to get the string. And then we need to do count characters. And then with the count characters, for the character at blank, in blank, do this. Without this, on completion, do this. Okay. So, I'm just gonna write that down. So, for char a in string. Wait, no, okay. So for input string, count characters for in count character, for character and count character, let's call it encrypt string, encrypt. Then complete sys call exit. So that's the logic that we're gonna now implement. So for a string, count the characters, for the character in the count, encrypt it, complete system exit call, and we're done. Sweet. Alright, so it's painful, but it works. It's assembly. It doesn't need to be compiled. Lots of memory addresses. Very low level. Lots and lots of painful thinking. Painful. I mean, alright, we got this working Caesar Cipher. Alright, I'm gonna go on pause for 1 second, mute the mic. I'll be back in 2 minutes, and we're gonna get cracking on the second part, which is the implementation of what we just talked about, the string and character counter, or the string modifier, manipulator, and the character counter. Alright, back in live. So, I've decided to skip this, not for now, but instead of going straight to encrypting a whole string, I want to have the user specify the shift. So that will just be which will simply be an input integer. So there's ways to do that pretty simply. I think I actually have a little I think I have a little bit of code that I already wrote for that.
Calcium.
Peace. Okay, so first thing I need to do is read the integer, which is going to be a v0 command number 5, and then I just need a system call, and that's gonna save that in value 0. Wait, will that work? Okay, I'm gonna do this first, actually. I'm gonna have this be the first operation. I don't need to print. Okay, so that's just gonna read it. Where's the shift? Where did I put the shift? 7. Wait, I could go here. Okay, so now when I run or assemble this, yeah, fucking dumb. It's in a 0. Yeah, I don't need a Cisco. Fucking stupid. Fuck me, man. I don't know, I'm using this keyboard, sort of stupid, but whatever. So I need to move it. And I need to move it to, yeah, that should work. And it's from V of 0. Okay. So first thing I do is do a shift of 3. And then I do A. Should give me D lowercase. Fuck. Oh, it did work. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Fucking locked in. Alright, absolutely fucking slaying. Absolutely fucking slaying right now, dude. Nice. So, let's just rerun this. Let's go 197. And then let's go A again. Ooh. Interesting. So it does break there because there's no bound for the top. So I need to do a break on that. Sort of sucks, man. That's a big fucking workaround. I gotta do some more breaks and shit. I mean, what do you expect though? It's assembly. So 197 shifts at 197 places, and the maximum it can be is it's a difference of fucking 90. So most it can be is 90, right? Because it shifts back to beginning. 90 characters later. It's gonna go all the way through the process again, looping back around. How did that get to C? Whatever the fuck that is. So let's bring up the ASCII code again because that is so helpful. So this is what we got. We got 128 out of 122. So that doesn't make any fucking sense. So it goes to 120. So wait, what did I put in? I put in A, which is 97. And then I added 197. But it's 97 to 22. So 25, obviously. So minus 25. So he was 269, but then it resets. Oh wait. Wait, what the fuck just happened? Okay, so 97 plus 195, 197. He was 294. But after 25, it takes away, it goes all the way back to 30, what was it? 32, whatever I put. I think I did 32. So 90. So minus 90, 204. Which, fucking, I have no clue what the fuck is happening right now, honestly. 128. Okay. Try this again. It's fucking hot in here. Hold on, let me get the AC going. It's fucking. Okay, so shift to 197. Can I slow this down mid-run? Bunch of instructions per second. Let's go A again. Pain, more pain, more pain. Well, that's one bug fixed right there. Now I can just reassemble it. Okay, so I changed the range and didn't change the loop part. A of E. So that went the wrong way. Wow. There's a difference of 4. To 11. So just that way it went from. Wait, what did it print before? Let's change this back real quick. Okay, so 95. Save that. Assemble it and run it. Okay, let's go 197 A. It's gonna give me that weird C under him, which is this one, right? Yes. So it goes from 128 to it bumped forward to 211. So when it gets here, it needs to subtract how much? So keep it functions properly. So break on less than if U0 is less than S of 0. Break. I actually want to fucking shoot myself in the head right now, dude. This fucking hurts. Shoot. Fuck. Well, I'm not monetized, so I guess we can play some slaps. That might be the only upside to this. Well, the painful MIPS assembly language, it is upon us. I do not want to listen to music. Fuck. I don't know if I want to keep going or just fucking blow my brains out. Fuck, dude, this is so fucked. So fucked. It's so basic too, like I'm doing such basic shit. It's like, alright, well, okay, let's get back to it. Let's not be lame. Alright, so we got it's compiling successfully. Alright, if we do a shift of like 25, okay, and we give it a letter, let's just go capital G, it's gonna shift 25, it's gonna work properly. It's gonna give us this little thingy McJigger, which if we look here, capital G is 71, 71 plus 25 comes out to 96, boom, right there, working properly, okay? We can even work it from here, where we go lowercase z and shift it back here. So it's a difference in 90, so if I shift it 89 or 90, it should be the breaking point. I think it's 90 should be the breaking point. G should go to G. So if I do a shift of 90 with a lowercase z, does it can go to Z? It goes to U. Interesting. So my calculations are off, because that's 5 behind. And that's because I have this right here. So this needs to be 100? Let's see if that works. I'm just sort of playing along at this point, because this shit has hurt my brain too much. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. Subtracting even more. So I subtracted 5 more than here, which went 5 more to here. So I need to do 5 less. So I was right when I made that change earlier, and I bumped it down to 90. I think it's gonna be 90 flat would work. Wait. P12, yeah, 10. So yeah, 90 flat. A 90 flat shift. So now if I assemble it and run it, it's gonna work. So you go 90 Z to Z. Beautiful. Okay, but this is the issue we're having right now, is if I re-execute this and go a shift of like, it's okay, so greater than 90, let's go 95, a shift of 95, and we're gonna go from Z, which is our last available. It's gonna shift back and it doesn't reset. So it goes to the break point. Well, that time, that's interesting that it didn't do that, because before when we did like 197, it was working, and now it's not working. So that's weird. I didn't change anything, so I don't know why it would do that. So then it doesn't break there. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. It was probably a shift of 95 probably put it on white space. So it was like, it looked like there was nothing printed, but there was something printed. So I should actually get rid of the white space. I should make it 33 as the bound. That way I don't have to deal with that again. Let's save that. Let's run and assemble this. Let's see. Okay, so okay, what was it? Did I change it to 33? I did. Now, if I rerun this, I saved all my changes. Yeah. So if I execute this, and I go 95, I think I did from Z. Wait, what the fuck just happened? Okay, I'm so fucking confused. What the fuck just happened, man? What the fuck was that? So syscall for reading input. What's the value of Z? What in the fucking tarnations is that? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. I also need to change the shift, because there's only 89 in it now. A shift of 95 from Z. Is it gonna break it? Okay, so Z becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where the fuck is that? That's the euro. I think I don't know what the fuck. I don't see that fucking here. It's here, I just don't see it. It's not the pound, it's the euro, right? Yeah. Where are you, euro? Euro, euro, euro. There's the yen. What the fuck? Am I blind as shit? What the fuck? Am I using the wrong... What? Dude, this is fucking me in the head. This is so actually fucked. What is this? Can I fucking copy you, please? Fuck. Oh, so I can't. What is... Oh my god. Am I fucking blind? If you see this, like, help me. This hurts. Like, where the fuck is the euro? There's the dollar, right? Here's a fucking dollar. Here's a pound. They have a cent symbol. They have one. Yen and one. No, they use the same symbol. Is that the same currency? I don't fucking know. Am I just not seeing it? Like, can I just not see? Is that what's happening? Yeah, I'm gonna be so mad if it's been right in front of me this whole time. Well, I guess, okay, I guess there's no euro in this. This has to be wrong then. ASCII table. Oh yeah, this is totally fucking easy to read. Thanks, guys. I'll just look it up. It's 164. Is that what these fucks are trying to tell me? The fuck it is not. Yeah, I'm so fucked in the head. Hexadecimal, HTML name, Unicode. Alright, well, it said it was 164. I don't see that anywhere. I only have the values here. This just says it's MIPS. So I feel like I'm just fucking myself repeatedly. Because I don't even know where the euro is. I don't know what the fuck, why the fuck it's printing a euro. I think that's a euro. I don't even know if that's a euro. Fuck. What am I even doing? Oh my god. I mean, that's a useful document, but what the fuck? I'm actually like There's gotta be like ASCII, right? I know how to use it. I just want the table that they use. Wait, I'm fucking dumb, dude. Oh my god, I'm fucking so stupid. Wait, okay, so let's rerun this, and I did 95 in Z. And let's do like two instructions a second. So it's really slow. That didn't help at all, but it's saying it's a period. Okay, but let me just rerun this real quick. I want to see this. Let's go 96 Z. I want to see if it's so it's the well, the pain is real. I fucking don't know what to do, man. I think I'm just gonna call it here. Because I'm getting to the point now where I'm more than frustrated. I am just at a complete loss of understanding. I feel like I don't even understand ASCII now. So I need to do a little research into what the fuck I'm actually doing with my code, because my code might not be doing what I think it's doing. I mean, wait, so yeah, I gotta relook at my shit and like just take some time, because I'm getting a little fried in the head and I feel like shooting my brains. Never a good sign. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this as well as I don't need to close that. Let's just open Safari back up. Let's do something fun. Let's do something interesting. Why don't we start working on the back end for my I don't know if I want to do that right now, honestly, but we'll see. Let's get some analytics going. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wrap it up for the day. I don't really think it's a good idea to do anything that I'm not really comfortable doing on a stream, just in case I expose some, like, important information. Yeah, should we get some Haskell practice in? That might be a little fun. Or, why don't I do the forge? Do a little forge thing. They might have something cool, like, okay. These are like programs. I don't know if I want to do any of these. Saw this one. Engineering, software engineering with JP Morgan and Chase. That's probably not terrible. I like the software engineering ones, so I'll probably end up choosing one of those. I just want to see sort of like what they have to offer. Most of these companies are like pretty relevant, I guess. H2. Resume writing. That's pretty cool. Doesn't have anything to do with software though. I don't know, fuck this. Let's code something. Let's do something fun. Okay, so let's do something with data. Let's use an API. And honestly, let's fuck around with the XRP ledger. So I'm going to go ahead and rename the string. Later, some interactions with the XRP ledger testnet. Okay. Tags. We're gonna go XRP. XRP ledger, Ripple, crypto, Bitcoin. There, that's all we need. Save it. Getting price changes directly from the XRP ledger. Basic API interactions. Beautiful. All set in stone. I think I scan a URL. Oh shit. Okay. Let's go share. Right here. Okay. Yeah, that's fucking stupid. Insert. XRP ledger. Messing around. No more pain. Fun. More pain. Let's fucking go. So the Packers are about to take home a dub, boys. Packers game. We got 40 seconds left in the game, up 14-12. Let's check it out. Let's see what the NFL app is showing me. See if I can actually get some Packers. Yep. "17 seconds left. Let me listen in.
Is the score. Darden, Beasley, and Perriman deploy as receivers to the left. Great to the right as a tight end.
So they're going for a Hail Mary.
Brady of the shotgun, 2-point drive. Takes the snap, hands the ball off, and the Bucs are guilty of a delay of game.
Prior to the ball being snapped, delay game. Just took too long to get out of the huddle, and then
17 seconds left, delay of game. You're on the offense. What? I wonder where they are on the field, though.
14 seconds left.
I don't know why the fuck I can't watch this. It's sort of fucking stupid. Last season you're able to fucking watch it. Now you have to fucking pay for Plus Premium. Like, you're such a bitch, bro.
From the 7-yard line, Brady shotgun. Gage on the right. Dropping to throw Brady, looking Brady, flush Brady, throws Brady. It is a incomplete pass. And the Green Bay Packers have stopped the Bucs' 2-point drive and will hang on to a 14-12 lead and victory. Tampa Bay Buccaneers fall short to the Green Bay Packers.
Let's go, baby.
yeah, that's tough.
Get fucked on, Brady. Get fucked on, man. Absolutely destroyed, dude. Let's fucking go. On a 2-hour live stream. Nice. Okay, man. So yeah, fuck that. So all right. So let's get this bitch going. Whatever, man. Jesus. Okay, I will go ahead and develop this from a repo, because why would I not do that? I'll create a new repo and we'll call it XRP bot. I'm gonna make it private because you guys can fuck off. Create a repository. Alright, beautiful. So yep. I need a readme, and then I need to add all. I can go ahead and commit. Adding readme, and then get remote. Oh no, I need to change the branch first. Yep, branch. Main. I don't know why I'm capitalizing everything. Get remote, add origin, and then it's HTTPS. Wait, what the fuck just happened? HTTPS github.com. Wow, I really cannot type today, man. This is rough. Github.com. Tanner Tory 3. Dude, I think I need caps. I don't know if it matters. I'd assume. Just to be safe, I'm gonna do it. And then XRP bot. Yeah. .git. What is it? Yeah. Alright, now that we're getting this configured, it should be just about done. xrpbot.git. See if that works now. Okay. So get remote. Okay, beautiful. So I think I already committed all the changes, so I just have to push from the origin to the main branch, and it should modify my changes. Yes. Let's pull up this. Refresh this. Beautiful. Last month. First commit. Whoa. Okay, so I really fucked this up. Repositories. Let's delete this. Settings. Danger zone. Delete this repository. Tannertory. 3-XRP bot. Okay. Okay, now let's go back to repositories. New. Let's call it XRP bot. Start this all over. Make it private. Create a repo. How the fuck am I? How did I fuck up making a repository? Okay, let's just do this. Save some time. I don't know why I fucking did all that. I don't know why I did that either. It's fucking clear. Oh my god. Okay, I'm fucking done with this. It's just... So I need to add all my changes, and then I need to commit my changes. Test. Wait, no, adding readme. Wait. Yeah. Adding readme. Wait, what the fuck did I just do? There we go. Okay, so now it's actually gonna finally work, which is amazing. Fuck this, guys. I'm not fucking doing this. It's Sunday. I'm trying to get fucking drunk and kick it. So that's what we're gonna do. Peace.